1, 2, buckle my shoe.
Honey, now take me into your loving arms.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Jeulia Hair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and this is the last week that your girl will be sipping on her water. Okay, the Wawa is on deck. Okay, I can see the home stretch of me getting over whatever I got, and I'm here for it. Thank you, fingers crossed. Okay. And I really want my wine. Whatever I have, it doesn't agree with it. Like, it makes me cough more. I don't know, it's weird. So, you know, the water's on deck, but you know, it's cool because today, your girl is giving the looks, okay? We are doing this hairline together, all right? So if y'all wanna see how I got this hairline from A to Slay, make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you wanna see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Jeulia Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Let me get some water. Hold on. So we're going to be styling this. I'm pretty sure this is 24 inches of textured kinky straight hair, and y'all, it feels amazing. Now when you go in to wash this unit, just be mindful it will swell when you blow dry it, so you will need to straighten this joint out, or you know, press it straight, blow dry it straight, whatever you gotta do. Use your hot tools to get this unit back to, you know, a sleeker texture if that's what you want. I want mine kind of big, but I'm still gonna blow mine out a little bit. So for now, I'm gonna use my dry shampoo to get, you know, any type of smell out of it. Let me see. It's actually not, it's not super strong actually, but I'm going to use my dry shampoo on this out the gate to get rid of any type of smell that may be on this wig. It wasn't a harsh smell, so you know, I'm good with that. But that's not why we're here. We are here for the hairline. That's what we're going to be focusing on today. I'm going to show you guys how I get my hairline to look super natural without any type of extra ventilation or any extra products. I'm going to be using my mousse and my pulling method. So we're going to try to get this unit together and make her glueless. Okay, that's the plan. First of all, let me show you guys the caps. So they did send me two different caps. They sent me the original one, which is similar to the one that I have on right now, but they also sent me the new joint. So you can actually buy the thin wig caps now, you know, the ones that you use for the bald cap method. So you know, that is pretty nifty. Okay, and you get 2 in a pack. Now y'all know I don't do the bald cap method, but if I did, this would make it a lot easier. Can you guys see that? This is the regular one. Okay, that's how that's looking. Okay, it's pretty thin. And then this one is the new joint, okay? I don't know if it's gonna fit on my head. This is tiny. And that's the new one. Okay, y'all see how thin that is? So yeah, I like that. But I'm not gonna waste that one just to wear it behind my head. I'm gonna save that just in case your girl decides to do a bald cap one day. Nah, I doubt it. But in case I do, I can have those handy, okay? So, hairline, let's get this wig on. Let me put my elastic band back on because it did pop off. They haven't been holding in lately. I don't know what's going on with that. Put it on like this, put this on. And y'all, I'm gonna tell you now, this cap is big head friendly. It stretches really nice. Okay, your girl still got a cough, so the water is still on deck. The hairline actually is not horrible. 2019 Kie would have made this work out the pack, okay? Because I wasn't pulling or plucking nothing. 2022 Kie is gonna do a little razzle dazzle, okay? Just a little bit, just a little bit. Let me pull this back. Why my hairline a little cockeyed? What's going on? This is the middle, yeah. Okay, y'all did that, Jeulia. But we gonna fix that. We ain't worried about that, okay? I'm just going to see what I'm working with. Pull out this first little row right here. Now for this, you definitely want to take your time. You don't want to pull out too much. You want it to look natural. Now I'm just going to take it one section at a time. I'm just going to pull down. This method is basically for based on what you like. And this hair is coming out pretty easy. So that's a good thing for, you know, this method. It may not be so good in the long run though if you're trying to preserve your unit. Okay, you can't have, you know, nice hairlines if you don't have some tweezing up in there. But when you start tweezing stuff, it does make the frontal shed a little bit, so just be mindful of that. So pulling the hairline is all in how you want your hairline to look. So I want to keep mine kind of bushy. I'm pulling some out from the root, but then some I'm just pulling off the ends. I'm pretty much like breaking the hair off the ends because I want it to look more natural. Obviously all the hair around my hairline wouldn't be the same length. Some of the hair around the hairline will be shorter. Okay, so that's why I'm doing it like that. Some from the root like that, and then others I'm pulling down here. Okay, pulling it from the actual ends. That's why I say take your time to do it so that you know exactly what you're going for. Okay, now I'm push it back. You see how we broke it up just like that? Let me cut off my ear tabs really quick. I don't know why I didn't think about that. Well, the ear tabs, you're just following it around. I don't want to pull from that section, so I'll pull from the one behind it. Like this. Pull small sections, you're pulling down. Move that back. Do it again. Move to a different section though. Don't be pulling in the same section. Now I know the big thing right now is natural edges, and you know, in order to get that, you have to do like a ventilated cap method. I wasn't really sure what that was, so I did do some research on YouTube, and basically they're going back in and putting those hairs in there to make it look natural like that. I don't got the expertise or the time to be doing that. I'm not ventilating nothing. So I need to try to make what I already have on my head work. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. More power to those who actually do that. That's why I'm not mad at brands who have to charge certain prices for their units, because who do you think is doing that? As brands are perfecting this look for their wigs, you know, I'm gonna try to make it work for me based on what they have now or what they already send me now. You get what I'm saying? We cut this lace off like this. I didn't put no powder under my lace. Hold up. So I'm gonna use my 360 press powder, put it up around my hairline like this. We're not bleaching nothing. I'm just gonna use my products, my makeup products, to blend my lace in. Use my razor and just cut this all off. Hold on, put my glasses on. Make sure I ain't cutting no hair. Okay, cut that off like that. This off like this. Cut this off like this. All right, now for the hairline, I need to separate the front and the back. So I'm gonna bring the hair forward like this so I can see what I'm working with the hairline. Let's bring out those sparse pieces. Okay, so like this one can go, that's too long. Let's bring out a little bit more. Now keep messing with it. Pretty good. Take off some of the ends. So now I'm gonna use my mousse to get my hairline molded. Shake it up. Just mold it around like this. I'm gonna swirl it around, okay? Swirl it around. Swirl it, swirl it. Open up my little band right here. And I'm just gonna wrap it down. So that is it for right now for the hairline. Right now we're going to blow dry this hair out. I'm gonna use my blow dryer brush. It's linked down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. We're gonna sleek this hair out just a little bit, a little bit. So blow dried the hair a little bit sleeker, and now I need to cut my ends. I just want to make sure my ends are right. Let me put my glasses on because I can't see a darn thing. I think this is about the middle, about right there. Let me brush this out. Yeah, my ends are they're a little scraggly. See those? Okay, they're just a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, cut these right on off. Okay, so that is a lot better. Hold up, my glasses are dirty. Oof, dang near can't even see in my glasses. Goodness. Let me take this off from around my head. I do need to tighten this down in the back because the way she's fitting right now, she's gonna slip. You do not want the slippage. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Tighten that down. Now let's put her back on. Fold it back down. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, now let's get this hair situated. And get rid of my ashy lace. Now I'm gonna do a pullback style, half up, half down, whatever you wanna call it, because I want my hairline to be showing. Make sure my track isn't out. All right, so let's pull this back like this. All right, let me clip this so it doesn't slip back until I decide if I'm gonna wear my wig grip or not. So I'm gonna use some of my grease, my Blue Magic grease, to hold this hair in place. Do a little bit, start off with that. Push it back, way back. Get those flyaways under control. Like this, like that. Okay, so I put my my wig grip on, and then I tuck my combs under my wig grip, and this is fitting a lot better now. So for my big hair girls, you can wear your wig grip under this joint and you'll like the fit a lot better. Let me mess this up a little bit, just a little bit. All right, I need a little bit more hair to come down here because I don't want my lace showing as much. So I want to make sure, you know, it's covered. Let me cut this. There we go. Yep. All right, now I can smooth. I want to make sure this is held in place until I'm ready to style her. Pull this into the ponytail that I need. Pull that real tight like that. Let me take off this. Put my glasses back on so I can see. Here we go. Hold on, this is too long right here. Pull that out. Okay, so now I'm just moving the hairline around to how I want it. It's a little bit too much right here. Hold up. Pull some of this out. There we go. Okay, this gives you the more permed look. Okay, it's not super textured because again, I'm not reventilating a cap or putting in different hairs, and I'm not gonna curl anything. Blend my lace in. All right, let me go ahead and change my shirt up real quick, and we're gonna come back with the final look and what I think about this wig. I mean, you can already tell, but we're still gonna talk about it. Okay, be right back. Okay, so at this point, yeah, you listen. I have no words because I am in love with how this looks on me. I love how I did this, y'all. I do feel like this half looks a little bit better than this half, but this is my good side anyway, so this is my strong side, so I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about it. This is a lot of hair, okay? It is 24 inches, which I'm pretty sure is the longest length for this unit. So if you don't want the inches, go ahead and get something shorter, okay? It's linked down below. Check out the link and get the length that works for you. And my ponytail is not, you know, like super flat or nothing. I don't make it look all sleek. I'm just not that girl. I'm looking for the easiest, fastest way possible for it to look neat. That's me. If you want to style this wig out the pack, you can definitely do that. The hairline was not horrible. Mine was a little crooked as you saw out the pack. So if yours comes a little cockeyed like mine, you may need to go ahead and, like, you know, shift it a little bit or just pull out some of the hair on one side to kind of even it up. Okay, level the playing field. But I'm really happy with how this looks on me. Again, I tried to go for, like, you know, the kinky type of hairline, but because I wasn't ventilating my cap or changing up how this hair texture was, this is how mine came out. And I still think it looks natural on me. The way I move the hairline around my lace, you can't really see, well, at least I can't. Okay, I can't see the edges of my lace anywhere on this wig. I can't even see the knots. And y'all saw I didn't bleach nothing. But I know when I step outside, you'll be able to see, you know, the knots on this wig. So be mindful of that. If I wanted to spray my wig down with my EBIN or my Got To Be, it would definitely create a barrier over my knots. So when I use my makeup to blend my lace, it will blend a lot better than it does now. But like I always tell you, it is lace, it's not skin. You can blend it down as much as you can, but someone will still try to clock you with saying, I can see your lace. I know it's a wig. Sis, I hope you do. Worry about your head and let me do what I want to do with mine. Thank you. There's my TED Talk. I don't have no issues with this wig whatsoever. I think it looks good, y'all. And the hair feels amazing, y'all. Ken, what we thinking? Okay, I know if he was here, he'd be looking all around my knots. Look, look, look. I gotta find somewhere to go so people can see me. I need a reason to go out, and this is my reason. Okay, this is my reason. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Jeulia Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.